Hi there. In this video, we are going to talk about the relative velocity. So let's begin. In order to explain the relative velocity, what I'm going to do, I'm going to consider two cases. So my first case is I have an aircraft that is moving with a speed of 100 km per hour. And let's suppose that the wind is also blowing in the same direction at a speed of 25 km per hour. Now the question is, what will be the combined speed of the aircraft when the wind is moving at 25 km per hour and the aircraft is moving with 100 km per hour? Yes, you're right. We need to add these two velocities or speeds. So if we add these two speeds, which is basically 100 km per hour and 25 km per hour, we will get 125 km per hour. So it simply means that when the aircraft is moving in the same direction as the wind is moving, then what will we do? To find the resultant velocity, we will add both the two velocities. So in this case, 100 plus 25 is 125 km per hour. Now let's consider the second case. So the second case is the aircraft is moving with 100 km per hour in this direction, but the wind is moving at a speed of or the velocity of 25 km per hour opposite to the speed of aircraft. Can you guess what will be the resultant speed? Yes, you're right. We will subtract both the two speeds or velocities. So basically what we're doing, we are subtracting 100 km per hour minus 25 km per hour, and that will give us 75 km per hour. In other words, we can say that if the aircraft is moving opposite to the direction of the wind, then the resultant velocity will be the subtraction of two velocities. Now let's understand the definition of the relative velocity. So in order to explain the relative velocity, let us consider two objects A and B moving uniformly with average velocities VA and VV in one direction along x-axis. So basically we are considering two objects A and B with velocities VA and VV along the x-axis because we are considering one-dimensional motion. Then the velocity of the object V relative to object A is given as VBA is equal to VB minus VA, and similarly the velocity of object A relative to object V is given as V of AB is equal to VA minus VB. And this is how we will define relative velocity.